Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Jeep Grand Cherokee with its key fob. To begin, locate the remote start button on your key fob, which often looks like a circular arrow. Press this button twice within 5 seconds. Your Jeep's parking lights will flash, and the engine will start. This feature is incredibly convenient for warming up or cooling down your vehicle before you even step inside. For successful remote starting, understanding the range is key. Generally, your key fob can start your Jeep from up to 300 feet away. However, this range can be affected by obstacles. A clear line of sight between you and your vehicle will always provide the best results. Avoid starting from behind large buildings or multiple parked cars for optimal performance. If your remote start isn't working, don't worry, there are a few common culprits. First, check your key fob battery. A weak battery can prevent the signal from reaching your Jeep. Also, ensure all doors, the hood, and the liftgate are fully closed and latched. Finally, your fuel tank needs to be at least 1/4 full for the remote start system to engage. Here are a few more helpful tips for using your remote start. If you need to turn off the engine remotely before the 15-minute timer expires, simply press the remote start button on your key fob once. Remember, the system is designed to run for a maximum of 15 minutes before automatically shutting down. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.